how to withdraw from Binance to bank account. So if you want to withdraw your money or your cryptocurrency from your Binance to your bank account, this video is for you. After you open the Binance app like this, now go to this menu at the top. After you come to this menu at the top, website, go to more services. So from this more services, scroll all the way to down, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, all you have to do now, go and search for withdraw fiat, this one. So here is it now, withdraw fiat, this one. So after you come to this option now, tap on this option now, tap on this section to choose your currency. So go ahead now and search for your currency if it is available. So I'll use this currency. After you select your currency like this now it will give you this receipt method like this now if your currency is available. After you choose the currency, it will give you this. So if you tap on the receipt method like this now, it will activate this continue button for you. From there, it will ask you to choose the bank you want to transfer it. And from there, it will ask you to confirm the amount and the verification code. From there, it will allow you to send your money from your Binance to your bank account. That's it, guys.